Imagine a world where we tap into powerful, high-altitude winds to generate clean energy and massive wind turbines. No expensive foundations, just lightweight flying devices soaring in the sky. Harvesting energy sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's not. This is Airborne Wind Energy, AHO, and it's already taking flight. But how does it work? What are its challenges? And most importantly, could this be the game changer we need for a sustainable future? Stick around because we're about to dive deep into the future of wind energy. The future of airborne wind energy is looking bright. Here's why. Stronger and more consistent winds. Traditional wind turbines are limited to about 100 meters, but AOS systems reach 200 to 2,000 meters, where the winds are stronger and more reliable, meaning more energy, more often. Unlike traditional wind farms that need vast open land, a WE can work in remote areas, offshore, and even in disaster-stricken regions, bringing power where it's needed the most. No need for giant steel towers or expensive foundations, just lightweight airborne systems tethered to the ground, making it cheaper to deploy and maintain. As AI and automation advance, these flying power generators will become smarter, more efficient, and easier to operate. Imagine drones that autonomously find the best wind currents and adjust themselves in real time. Major companies and startups, like Ampix Power and Kip Power, are investing heavily in this technology, and experts predict AAT could become a key player in the global renewable energy market. But, as with any revolutionary technology, there are challenges. So what's holding airborne wind energy back? Now, let's talk about the obstacles standing in the way of airborne wind energy becoming mainstream. These systems need ultra-durable materials, automated flight controls, and efficient energy conversion. The technology is advancing, but it's not perfect yet. AWE systems operate in airspace used by airplanes and drones, raising safety and legal concerns. Policymakers need to figure out how to integrate these flying turbines into our sky. While high-altitude winds are powerful, they can also be unpredictable. Turbulence, lightning, and storms could pose risks to all systems. Let's be honest, the idea of giant kites and drones flying overhead might make some people nervous. Safety measures and public awareness will be crucial for adoption. But guess what? These challenges aren't stopping researchers and companies from pushing forward. Despite these hurdles, the potential of airborne wind energy is too big to ignore. Imagine a world where energy is harvested from the skies, cheaper, cleaner, and available anywhere on Earth. With rapid advancements in AI lightweight materials and smarter energy grids, it's only a matter of time before we see airborne wind energy becoming a major force in renewable. So, what do you think? Will we see skies full of energy harvesting kites and drones in the near future? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more futuristic tech content, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious, stay innovative, and stay charged.